Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are back with another video, and this is about the weekly recap and the next possible move on gold USD. So without wasting any time, let's start right away. So we're looking at the trend of gold from the previous weeks. That was a very huge downward trend, and between 18th and 22nd we saw gold creating equal lows, or something you can call a double bottom, and we saw a change of character, so which indicated gold is changing to the opposite direction. And anyone who is following these videos, you can remember properly that last week we made an analysis of gold changing to the upward side. As you can see right there, we made analysis of gold changing to the upward side, and we posted some orders, bullish orders, and they did pretty well because we started all our entries to the upward side around the retest of gold in the fair value gap right there. In this fair value gap, those were all our entries on gold long were there. So it was a pretty good move. As you can see, it went from 1892 to 1922, which is a very good 300 pips, but we are able to catch only 100 pips. So as you can see right now, gold has changed from the huge downward trend it was in and changing to an upward trend. So this week we saw some good moves where gold created some resistance around there. Gold created some resistance around here, and we saw a break of that resistance to the upward side, and then gold created another resistance right there, so what we were expecting, we marked our resistance right here, and then we waited to see how gold is going to react when the price comes back there. And also it created a simple move right here, which was something around 50 pips right there. And then if you put it to the 15-minute time frame, you can see gold had created a fair value gap right here, where all the supports were being created again and again. As you can see here, there was a good opportunity to enter, and there was something like 50 pips. Again here, there was a good opportunity to enter right there, and there was an opportunity also something like 40 pips. And then also right here, which was on Friday, there was also a good opportunity to enter to the upward side. And if you remember, those who are on the YouTube live on Friday, this news release, we had some entries right here. One was stopped out and one went and made 50 pips. So this one that was stopped, what the good thing, it had only a risk of 30 pips, and the second order had a gain of 50 pips, so we were even by 20 pips. But as you can see, gold broke down again, and it came to this previous resistance that was broken. So this, always keep the marks there where you know that this is a key zone. Always leave the marks there, because you're going to refer to this position right here as another opportunity to see how the market reacts, and you open some positions. So right here you can see in the 15-minute time frame, there was a good confirmation of a retracement to the upward side. There was a good confirmation right there. As you can see, it created an opportunity to enter with a very small, very minimal risk, and there was some good gains right there. As you can see, there was a very good 60 pips before the close of the market, with a risk of just 30. So that is a very easy 1 to 2 risk to return ratio. Now, with the market structure that came in last week, the whole of the entire last week, where is gold heading at the moment? We are looking at a resistance right here, at around 1921, and we are looking at a support at around 1903. So we are expecting some moves in between there. We are expecting some moves in between here, but what we are waiting for is gold to break to the upward side so that we can catch that continuation to the key level, because we have 3 key levels. If you jump into the 4-hour time frame, you can see all those levels where we are expecting the price to hit. We are looking at 1931 because we have a lot of huge supports there. We are expecting that to turn resistance, and if it's broken, we are looking at 1944, and we are looking at 1954. So those are the 3 key levels that are very near for gold to hit if we are breaking this resistance to the upward side. And remember, next week we have a lot of news coming out on the USD currency, which normally impacts the gold as a commodity very highly. So on Tuesday we have consumer confidence, on Wednesday we have the GDP release, on Thursday we have CPE, the consumer price index, on unemployment claims, and on Friday we have the NFP. So all this news from Tuesday to Friday, every day we have very high impact news that are expected to impact gold very highly. So it means if gold breaks here, you can see a very huge impulse move to these 3 key points, which is 31, 44, and 58. But as you know, the markets are not predictive. We have to react after seeing how the market reacts at certain key levels. So here we have to wait and see a break of this zone of 1921 to the upward side, and then we start waiting for the market to create a good entry in the lower time frames so that we can catch the move to the upward side into the key levels. So as you can see, that is our analysis on gold, but you have to understand that also if gold breaks back below, if gold makes a move below 1904, we are expecting this move to go to 1886, which is the previous support, because you have to create scenarios where the price can go both ways depending on what changes fundamentally in the economic news. So thanks for watching, guys, and always keep it up. You have to remember one thing. We have our YouTube live every day, and we are analyzing gold and any other currencies, and we also have a Telegram channel that is free to join for a limited period of time. We'll be also posting the orders there every day. At least we'll be posting 5 to 6 orders a week. We are posting only orders with high probability setups. We are not posting random orders. We only post orders with high probability setups. We trade in the 1-hour time frame, and most of the orders are really high probability and very good. Share this video with all your trader friends, and the link to join our Telegram is going to be on our YouTube channel in the homepage. So thanks for watching, guys, and keep it up.